makabili ng bud. Yun nga sinasabi ko dun eh. Pwede nga mag-hotcake.
Sinong Gino? Ayun. Wait, so Varen is party 3? No, Varen, you are at party 2. Snipers, focus on Loki place. Once you see that fucking puppet down, like strike it down right away.
Pasok, guys.
We have a lot of
Nasa left
we
side
have
tayo,
a lot of
so ano
snipers, so
tayo?
I'm expecting Baphomet to be ours.
7 o'clock.
High Wizards, one thing I did not see last Guild League was the array of Quagmire. So like if we could Quagmire the fuck out of the stairs down, going down the middle where the enemy would be going.
Ako
So that
naman
they
na
would be
dun.
walking
Tapon
down
mo yung
slow.
ano,
We're gonna
kaya
try
mo
to do the same
itapon.
thing that we did with Novaris,
Mamaya pa ako.
where we would push him out like a minute before Bafo spawns.
Noted,
So
noted.
that we would have contingency of the middle. Another thing, there was a couple of mobs left after the Bafo spawn. So let's try to kill all the mobs first before doing what we're gonna do. Hold on, there's one more thing I forgot. High Wizards, please fucking cast your AoEs on mob spawns. Like I need all the High Wizards. We have like 50 million High Wizards, so we shouldn't be having a shortage of mob kills. Invite. We need. I want to see all High Wizards like actually killing mobs instead of like doing PvP during mob spawns.
Noted.
Malunggay, pandesal.
Ba't parang ang bagal tumakbo nung sa'yo, Shine? Patakboy mo nga yun. Parang mabagal.
Okay, I'm bugged one second. I think something's wrong with my character.
Bawal nga, bawal
I'm gonna
mag-
pass
bawal mag-food sa
the
loob.
Lamek. You're gonna be the lead,
Labas ako, mag-food lang.
so that I could just go in.
Just a reminder also, if you see the large supplies, take it, guys. Don't just give it to enemy. Because that's the difference
Yeah.
early game last time with Novaris. When I reviewed
That's like
the world.
350.
Yeah, it will spawn every 5
Uh,
minutes. Random in the map.
Lamek, can you pass the lead back to me, please? Cookie, make sure you are at the raid. You are not on the raid, Cookie.
Many minutes. Seconds.
One enemy
Coming, ano,
party at
ini-spawn?
7 o'clock.
Coming.
Top 5, party 5, top roamer, no. Clear. No
Coming,
enemy.
coming.
Yes,
They have
yes.
2 parties at 1
Anong
o'clock.
ini-spam mo?
2 o'clock,
Skill?
you mean?
Quagmire?
2 o'clock.
Hindi, ano ngayon,
Do you guys
mag-ano
need
ako.
backup? We can back
SG.
up 2 o'clock.
Kasi naka-antay Quagmire yung mga yan eh.
Ano yun?
My VOD is on.
Tignan mo daw FB mo.
Supports, if you could lower down the rendering of your people. I mean, you're like you could go down to like 20, honestly, so that it would have priority in seeing your party over. So it's easier for you to follow your party members.
$20 seconds, maps.
Ano to? Patayin ko to?
All right, party
Or
1,
mobs?
2, 3, 4. Let's like push forward. We're not gonna be PvPing, but we're kind of
Sabi ako
blocking
ng
them away.
supply Kuya,
8 seconds.
oy, kuya, pasabi ako pag may supply na
Let's go, Maelk. Let's go, Maelk.
Again, all right, let's go.
Enemy dito.
Spam, guys. Sa mobs. And then, kill them after the mobs.
Again, focus on mobs. At the backside of our stack, there's like a lot of mobs. Let's kill it. All right.
Okay, bullshit.
Wipe 'em out, wipe 'em
Take
out.
supplies, bullshit. May party, the remaining party, party 8. Help with mid.
Mid is actually okay.
Okay.
Di na
Like
sila
we're
kukuha.
yeah, go elsewhere. Like protect your bases, protect your spots. Help out with your
Ulit na lang din
roamers if you
kami.
can. Mid is like doing hella fine.
Ulit kami.
Dude, I
Ah,
can't fucking
sa mid na lang
rally.
tayo, Oli.
Nagpupulot muna kami.
Sige, sige.
2 o'clock clear ah. We wipe them.
Heard.
Pasabi pag
Mid
ubos
push
na
him
yung
out.
supplies.
Mid. Yeah, mid push him out.
Come
Push him
mid,
out
come
of the
mid.
stairs.
Last one na kami. Going back
Okay.
mid.
Dude, I'm rubber
Okay.
banding.
All supplies are taken.
Push him out. Push him out.
Pushing.
Okay, so we're obviously dominating the people. So let's the roamer parties, make sure you take contingency on the boss areas.
Next is Garm at 17 minutes.
Uh,
Likod nyo. One party sa
naka
likod.
120 naman ako.
Okay, my party 8. Let's move to 7 o'clock for Garm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Just continue pushing them. Roamers occupy their boss areas.
Okay, may naiwan pa. 18 seconds, Garm.
All right, I want 4 bosses killed in our spot. Okay.
Loki mo solo. Para hindi sila makaano. Ayun na. Nakaset ko.
Okay, we got Garm at 7 o'clock.
Nice spill. We get Ifrit.
Okay, we're moving to you guys. Bullshit, take again supplies. My remaining members help with the mid.
Kaming mob sa gitna oh.
We're actually like by the entrance of their base. So
Okay.
yeah, we're not at mid.
I'll just take the mobs here in mid. Next is Bapo, 12 minute.
Uruy.
Harap na tayo doon. Coming.
Tara guys. Help na lang tayo dun sa kanila.
We are at the 4 o'clock position.
Dami lang naka-follow sa kanila.
Anong guild ba tong Citadel? At parang ngayon ko lang nakakita to.
Diyan sila sa right solo. Yung mobs, 12 yung bapo na.
12 ba po?
Okay na yun. Assumption nga. Pre, saan ka? Balls? Asap ko.
Dito ako sa tabi niya.
At 13,
Resume means.
at 13 minutes, party 2 and party 4 go back to mid.
Teka.
Party 1 and 3, let's
Pareso,
just
ano?
stay
Yeah,
here by
nakaspam
this like
dyan, so
double
Basa ka ba?
doors
Basa ka ba?
area.
Basa ka ba?
Nagtetra.
Yep.
Ito na sa harap. Dami.
Tara.
Yeah, party 2 and party 4
nakaspam.
go back to
Nalagyan,
mid at 13.
Boom, one shot.
Party 1 and 3, let's just slow them down over here.
Sige.
Ay pala, sniper dito, no? Makakak.
And you know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go back to mid. 1, 2, 3, 4, go back to mid. Prepare for Baphomet. Party 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let's block the stairs.
Okay. Party 8. Going for
everybody
7
on
o'clock mobs. They are already here
Yeah,
in
everybody
mid.
on positions. There you go.
Enemy.
I love the Quagmires. Spam the Quagmires going down.
7
1
o'clock
and 3
tayo, party 8.
Only 1 and 3 should be at the right stairs. Only 1 and 3 should be at the right stairs.
Okay, no more mobs.
Kevin, left Left side,
17
Kevin.
seconds for the mobs.
All right, okay.
30 seconds for Bapo.
1 and 3, let's go mid.
Spam Bapo, guys. Skill.
All right, Buffalo's about to spawn. Okay. Get it.
Tayo.
All right,
Okay.
now we enjoy PvP.
Let's go PvP. Okay. Join us, bullshit. Just forget the supplies. We're good with the points.
Okay.
Hello.
And this is actually the first time we've reached 8,000. Like,
Yawa,
I'm so
oh.
confused with this guild.
Force natin sila sa stairs. Tara.
Ikuran nga natin.
Reso.
Nagsabihin na tayo para magbigay sila ng list ng subscribers nila. May idol yung maganda ng
Tolong!
Tayo na stone.
No. Pares ako, pares.
Rest kasi ano.
Walay tayo.
Part 8, right side.
Para pasok tayo doon sa gilid.
Sa kanan tayo. Wag sa mid.
Do
Daming
not
Quagmire
push
dyan,
past the
dyan,
doors. Just stay outside of the doors.
Daming Quag sa mid. Dito tayo. Hindi tayo mag-snipe dito. Ay, bago mo ko to eh, oh. Ako to eh, oh.
Tayo na makagalaw. Nag-angel? Oo, talaga. Ano? Dumaan. Atras kaya kayo para maabot ko.
So all
Ah,
their
naspam,
strong
naspam, naspam,
people
atras.
Ay,
in
gago.
is in
Oh,
the
spam,
main
naspam,
battle.
naspam.
Kaya,
Atras, atras! Kaya mo yan!
ayan mo.
Oh,
Dami!
look at the points on main.
They are most of them at the right side of their base. They're trying to flank us.
Talo tayo sa main. What the fuck?
Sabi sa inyo eh, nasa galawan yan eh. Kahit galingan natin dito sa sub. Talo, men. Talo pa din tayo.
Hello, okay, wala akong masaktan.
Kailan?
Nakuha ata nila siguro yung ano no,
Baron.
Baron. Kaya pa yan. 100 points.
Kapit lang. Uy, uy, uy. uy,
Tiwala
uy,
lang,
uy.
tiwala.
Well, I mean, like this was the idea of the leadership team to like push really hard and don't back down. Because we're trying to fix our main battlefield. So this way we're gonna see, is there anyone who has like a good stats to be transferred to the main field? Dude, it's just a fucking 100 points, dude.
Kaya mo save.
Ugly, 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 ugly.
Nag-epi ako. Wala, daming yung wala sila sa atin eh. Umuulan ng skill, gago.
Naliligo nga tayo ng
Alright,
damage.
yeah, come on, come on, come on, do it, do it, do it.
Dami, gago.
Never back down, number one!
Alright, we're now ahead.
Gusto kong laban. Nasa
Well,
gitna
whatever the
tayo
fuck
ng
you
mga
guys are
skill,
doing,
no?
keep doing it.
Ang ina ng laban sila pre oh.
Nalaban na... Ah!
Ang
Naspam
lago,
tayo
ah.
na tetra! Na-tetra tayo, pre!
Ay, wala tayo.
Ah! Uy, heal mo na. Solo dito.
Ano
Baba,
si
baba.
Solo? Ano si Solo? Di ko mahanap si Solo. Ay, nag-revive na.
Solo? Atras
Diba
mo na,
tayo?
wala si Solo.
Tapos na, tayo natin si Solo. Tayo
Wala
natin
tayong
si
heal,
Solo.
wala tayong heal, wala tayong heal.
Tayo natin si
Revive mo
Bro.
nga
Solo.
katabi, revive mo nga katabi.
Muntik na pre. What the
Ito,
fuck?
ito sa ating team, mo.
Excuse
Ah,
you.
Translator.
Okay. Paresu.
Uy, puki ng ina mo, patay ako. Help! Help me! Help!
Nasa gitna ka eh. Gago,
Ares!
nasa gitna ka. Teka lang, nasa
Hey!
gitna ka eh. Nare-rest kita, yan. Nare-rest kita. Ano mo?
Debuff mo siya, debuff mo. Pasukin ko.
I'm die, pre. Puki ng
Alam
inang
mo,
daming ano. Gago.
Gago.
Daming skill, yawa.
Gago ka, patay ako. Putang ina mo. Ay, nagkadet ako!
Alright,
Tama
GG's,
na tayo.
boys.
GG.
Yeah.
Well played, guys.
Gago,
Habol
huwag
ng
mo
main
nilagay
field.
dito, tarantado!
Nice, nice guys.
GG's.
GG.
GG's.
Thank you, thank you.